All right, so I'm gonna be doing all change on these. This is a 2014 Toyota Prius. This is a 2014 Toyota Prius. So I'm gonna be doing the oil change real quick, and let's get on to. That's my oil pan right there. Yeah, that's my oil pan right there, and I'm gonna be taking out these bolts with these 14 ratchet, and I'm gonna be taking the filter out. This is the filter right here. I got these from I think Walmart or AutoZone to take out the filter. So let's get this done real quick. So we're gonna be taking out our oil filter. As you can see. Yeah, we can see the oil coming out. Oh yeah, so the filter is out, super dirty, so dirty. So I'm gonna set that down first. As you can see, our filter is out. We're gonna clean this up. This is the dirty filter right here. So now we're gonna be taking out these bolts. That's oh, got the spill right there. Oh yeah, look at that. Don't lose this, because we're gonna need it back. Yeah, we can see the dirty oil pouring out. Oh yeah, that's pretty dirty. Getting our filter from Walmart, and is 10358 for the oil filter right there. It's just like $3 something. And we're gonna be getting our Mobile 10W20. It's about $60. Getting the big box. Our oil, and we got a filter. Okay. Okay. 7138. I think I'm getting a better quality. It's still the same thing though. 10358 is about $5. Or you could get this ultra synthetic, which is about $10. I'm gonna be getting this Hyper 12 16 quart oil drain container to drain our oil. So yeah, I'm getting this oil filter instead of the Supertech cheap one. I'm getting the better, more expensive quality one. Okay, so this is our old filter.
What?
And we have a new filter right here.
Yes.
So, and we're gonna be replacing this little
Farm?
black thing. I'm gonna take this out. See this one? I'm gonna take it out. And then of course we're gonna put our drain plugs back in there. So I think the oil is done draining. I think yeah, right. Let's see. Yeah, we're done draining our oil. So we're gonna be putting the filter back inside the filter housing, as well as the screw to close up the drain plug. I'm gonna be putting that back as well. So we're gonna be using these to take out the black thing here. Got this black. Gonna be replacing this with the new one. I'm gonna be replacing it with this one. Got this fixed. You could give this a little bit of cleaning, just to like clean out the all the old oil in it, so it could stay and then we're going to be replacing, got our new filter in here in the filter housing, and then we're good to go to put this back on the car. And of course our drain plug, we're gonna give it a little bit of cleaning as well. Alright, we're gonna be putting our drain plugs black in there. Just screw that in with the end, and then I'm gonna like later tighten it with the with our ratchet. So we're gonna give this clean this up, make it look nice and pretty, and of course we're gonna clean our filter housing as well. I'm gonna clean this up and make it look good. So we're gonna tighten this back. Yeah, tighten easy. Okay, so we're gonna replace we'll be putting our oil from here. Let's take out the oil, the engine oil cap first of all. Yeah, got our Mobile one, the one for the hybrid car 0W20 synthetic oil. Got him more from here as well. So we're gonna check the dipstick. Okay, I think we're gonna need to put more oil. We need to have it all the way here. Be getting the car off this ramp so we could get like an accurate measurement of the oil in it. Right now we're gonna check the dipstick to see if we got the right measurement. Yeah, got it all the way to this place, to this second point. That's the right measurement.